In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Boolean variables in prototypes using Figma. Whether you're new to Figma or just looking to enhance your prototype game, understanding Boolean variables is a fantastic skill to add to your toolkit. So, let's get started. First, open up your favorite web browser and head over to Figma's website. If you've already got it bookmarked, even better. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the login button at the top right of the page. Click on it and enter your credentials. You'll be directed to your home screen upon logging in, where you can see all your existing projects and start new ones. Once you're at the home screen, navigate to the design file you want to work with. This could be a project you're currently working on, or perhaps a new one you've set up as a sandbox to experiment. Click on the design section where your project canvas is displayed, allowing you to make all sorts of creative decisions and adjustments. To dive into Boolean variables, your next focus is the Variables tab, typically located in the sidebar. Click on it. This will guide you to a new section dedicated entirely to your project's variables. It's a powerful tool that allows for better reusability and management of elements through variables. When you're in this section, it's time to create a new variable. Just click Create Variable. A variety of variable types will pop up for you to choose from. Scroll through, and when you find it, click on Boolean. Boolean variables are perfect for situations with only two states, such as on-off switches, yes-no decisions, or visibility toggles. They can make your prototypes incredibly dynamic and interactive, simulating real-world applications or websites with ease. Now that you've selected Boolean, a prompt will appear, allowing you to name your variable. Make sure the name you choose is descriptive enough to immediately convey its purpose. It will make both your life and possibly your team's life a lot easier when you come back to this project later. Set the initial value of the Boolean variable to true or false based on the default state you want, and there you have it. You've successfully set up a Boolean variable in your Figma prototype. From here you can link these variables to various elements in your design to create interactive components and rich user experiences. With Boolean variables now under your belt, explore their use cases further, integrating them into your interface designs to make toggles, checkboxes, and other interactive components seamless and intuitive. Thanks for watching, and keep experimenting. See you next time.